Hi, my name is Violetta Kelly. I'm from Abbeyfield Interiors and I'm here in Tile Merchant in Ashbourne, Dublin. I'm here today to give you tons of tips and tricks on how to decorate your bathrooms, what tiles to choose, how to make your bathroom look $1 million. An amazing way of decorating bathroom is not to just use one tile, it's to mix 2 or 3 different tiles. Just like we did here in this bathroom. So what we did here is we use two different tiles and wall paneling on top of that. The reason it looks amazing is because we have a feature wall. Feature wall is made from wood effect paneling and it gives a lot of texture and warmth to the space. The tiles that we used in here are balancing of that warmth of the wood paneling, and we use marble effect tile on the walls, and then we use concrete effect tiles on the floors. The reason everything looks so amazing in here is because we use a lot of different textures. So we balanced off the warmth of the wood with the high gloss tiles and then with marble. These 3 elements always look amazing with each other. So if you want your bathroom to look timeless and amazing for many years to come, this is the way to do it. Another reason this bathroom looks so amazing is because we added a pop of color in here. So in this case, we use navy on the vanity unit, and then we have this lovely navy detail around the mirror. A pop of color is equally as important in the bathroom as is important in your sitting room or kitchen. If you want your focal wall to look amazing, not only with the texture but with another element of design, ensure that there's some kind of light on it. In this case, we have this gorgeous large round mirror. Round is amazing because it adds feminine element to otherwise very masculine bathroom. Everything in bathrooms is usually masculine because it's square or rectangle. So round, mirror, perfect.